Hi, dear friends, how are you all? And first of all, thank you so much, my YouTube family, for making it more than 5,000 people. It's almost 5,500 people. If you make them stand, if you make 5,000 people stand, they are huge. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. So I had these thermocol balls. They are made of thermocol, and I wanted to make quick thermocol Christmas ornaments. So I took these two out of my old flower pots. So I'm using this lace, which is very beautiful, which very colorful. So let's decorate it. It's very quick. You don't have to do so much things. You just have to apply, use hot glue and apply this lace, and we will add some tassels, and then your ornament will be ready. So it's very quick. Let's apply lace with the help of hot glue, and you have to apply it in the middle of this ball, ornament ball. So apply it in the middle and the straight way. So you have to apply it with the hot glue. Keep applying, make sure your hands don't touch the glue because it's very hot, so you can get hurt. So keep applying like this, and after some time you will be finished with it. Cut the extra lace and again apply the hot glue and wrap it and give it a finishing look. So after applying this lace, I'll show you all the things I have used in making this ornament. So you will take these tassels and you will make a hole in downside of this ball, and you will take one piece from the lace like this. This is a round circle piece, bead you can say, and it has one jump ring you can say. This jump ring will help to hang the tassel. So this jump ring, I will open it with the help of this tool, jewelry tool, and you will add this golden tassel in the end of this ball. So just make the jump ring tight and your ornament is almost ready. So now I'm making a hanging hook with the help of red foaming sheet, and you will take a chain. So cut about the small piece of the chain and apply it, put it on the foaming sheet, and I'll use hot glue, and then you will glue it. So you will wrap around the foaming sheet, make a small circle, wrap it, keep rolling like this, and it will make a very beautiful red hook. So we will attach it on the ball. So this way you will keep rolling this foaming sheet. Be very careful, the hot glue is very hot, the glue is very hot. So you will keep wrapping and keep applying the glue like this. So you can see it's very strong hook now, and we will apply this on the ball. Apply some hot glue on the hook and attach it with the ball like this. So your ornament is ready, and it's very cute and quick. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for making it a huge family. Please share the video. I will again come with another amazing DIY craft. Bye.